The day had finally come. We arrived at the designated site to begin our survey, an expansive, untamed land that would soon become our workplace. Our first task was to launch the drone to get a bird's-eye view of the terrain. As the drone soared into the sky, the vastness of the surroundings became clear. Sprawling savannas stretched into deserts, which seamlessly gave way to dense, impenetrable forests. The area we were to conquer was immense, hundreds of square kilometers of raw, wild terrain. It was daunting and thrilling all at once. Ahead lay the challenge of cutting through jungles, clearing roads, and taming this untamed wilderness. And all of this? For a singular purpose, to search for oil. The journey was just beginning, and the scale of the task ahead made it all the more exhilarating.